take a good look at yourself. Go on, take a look. No, that's not me. This is my body, something I have, and therefore not the same thing as me. What about if I introspect? Yeah, that's it. I'm having a thought right now, right? That's me having this thought. But wait, hang on. If I look a bit closer, all I have an experience of is the thought itself. What I don't have an experience of is a self, a me, which is having the thought. In fact, it turns out to be really hard to see or have any experience of a self. So if you're the sort of hard-headed person who wants to only believe in what we see, then you shouldn't believe in yourself. Sure, you can believe in a body. Sure, you can believe in thoughts, ideas, desires, and you can think they're linked, but you shouldn't believe in a self which has those thoughts, which has those desires, which has that body. So what? Well, around 1300 years ago, a monk in Nalanda, North India, thought this was the key to understanding why you should be selfless, why you shouldn't care about yourself, you should care about other people. And at first glance, it seems like that's right, because if I don't really exist, if there's no self here, then it's a mistake to care about me, in the same way it would be a mistake to care about unicorns. But on closer inspection, it's actually very mysterious. It's not actually clear that the argument works. To solve this mystery and others, you can join us on a course called The Self in our BA Philosophy program at Azim Premji University. See you there. Well, maybe not you, but... See...